What's hiding in the Earth's shadow, where the sun doesn't shine? The dark side of the moon has many untold stories. 1. The dark side of the moon is actually the far side, which gets as much sunlight as the side we see. 2. We started exploring it seriously in the mid-20th century space races. 3. Apollo 8 went around the moon in 1968, taking pictures that showed it has lots of craters and mountains, which is very different from the flat lands of the near side. The pictures showed lots of craters and mountains, which is very different from the flatlands of the near side. Why is it so different? Scientists think it's because a long time ago something big hit the moon. This made the near side hotter than the far side, causing volcanoes that made flat lands on the near side and left the far side full of craters. 1. Something big hitting the moon a long time ago caused the difference between the near and far sides. 2. Apollo 10 went around the moon in 1969, mapping the moon's surface in great detail. 3. The Soviet Luna 21 mission in 1973 landed the Lunokhod 2 rover, marking the first time a rover drove on the moon and sent back important data and pictures. This was the first time a rover drove on the moon, sending back important data and pictures. Jump to the 21st century and we're still trying to learn more about the far side of the moon. Countries and private companies are launching missions to explore the moon's surface. China's Chang'e 4 mission landed on the far side. The rover Yutu-2 explored the strange landscape and sent important data. It's doing experiments and sending data that could help us understand not just the moon, but the whole universe. So, why are we so interested in this distant, quiet part of the moon? 1. We're drawn to the unknown and the chance to make discoveries that could change how we see the universe. 2. The far side of the moon is a perfect place for an astronomical observatory because it's free from Earth's radio. Each mission helps us understand a bit more about the mysteries of the dark side, bringing us closer to understanding our place in the universe. The journey continues. The dark side calls to us, promising answers and new questions in our never-ending search for knowledge.